Welcome back. One of the ways we can do more and extend the functionality of our WordPress website is to use third-party cloud-based connector Zapier. If you have a Zapier account, you can connect your WordPress website and integrate into other cloud-based services. If you want to find out if your WordPress website can be used with Zapier in order to integrate with a cloud-based service that you already used, you can go to your favorite search engine and you can write in the words WordPress. You can then write in the service that you use so that you can determine if there's an integration. And typically you're going to see a search result. Now this means that there might be an integration, but we need to look all the way through to the Zapier site. And Zapier does have an integration that is available. Now this may not be the only integration. You'll need a Zapier account, either free or paid, in order to determine if there are other integrations that you actually might use. So we're going to write in here WordPress. And we're going to pick up our WordPress site. And we can test with any app that we already use. In this case, we use the example Teachable. Now when a connection is made, you'll first want to check the specific action. And in this case, there are certain actions that are going to be available within your WordPress system. So we can make it so that when there is a new user on our site, we have specific actions that we can do within a cloud-based service that we connected. Now in this particular case, we are using the service Teachable, although you can use any cloud-based service that you're already using on a regular basis to find an integration. So we have determined that there is an integration available for WordPress and one of the cloud-based services that we use. What we're now going to need to do is to connect our WordPress site to Zapier. And to do that, we're going to click this button that says Create a Zap. And we are going to start with the trigger, which is going to be our WordPress site. And we're going to click WordPress. We're going to choose the trigger event, and we're going to write in New User. We're then going to click Continue. Now it's at this point that you need to choose an account, and if your WordPress site is not connected to any Zapier account or your Zapier account, you'll need to connect that new account. And that is what we are going to do. Now we are going to need some specific information in order to place here inside of Zapier. We're going to need our base URL, our username and password, and once we have it, we'll then click Yes, Continue. Now if you try to connect directly to your site, you're going to see an error, and Zapier will tell you that what you need to do is to activate the Zapier WordPress plugin before you can go further. So we're going to stop the process here, and we're going to pick it up from adding the Zapier plugin to our WordPress website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.